Hi there. In this video we'll show you a new feature in easy2mail that allows you to merge templates with data. Step 1 is to upload your template. To do so, navigate to the Workflows menu and select the second tab called Library. Hit the plus icon and select the PDF file you wish to use as a template. Make sure the document is in A4 portrait mode and has enough free space for your address information. The second step is to upload your address information. Select the new option on the dashboard called Merge Template. Browse to your CSV file and select it. In the first screen you can choose which fields from your file you wish to add to each address line. You can rearrange the order by dragging the fields in the correct order. On the next screen, you can choose whether to add the address information to the first page or onto a blank cover page. You can also choose the template you wish to use for this job. The application will create a separate document for each row in your CSV file. You can preview the result by expanding one of the documents. If the result is OK, hit the Validate button to load all the documents to your dashboard. All documents are given the name of the original template. This can be useful to trigger a workflow. When everything looks OK, you can use our advanced filters to search for the documents you wish to send. As always, you can still validate the sending options in the overview and make changes if needed. Your documents are sent to Speos for further processing, printing and delivery to your recipients. Thank you for watching.